Hello everyone, thank you for following my civil channel. Today we're gonna speak about how to save the drawing version, what version you have to save it, about the two type of selection box and all type of the zoom. So first let's start about the drawing version. As you see, my drawing version is 2017 and I want to save it, so it is 2017. But sometimes you might set the drawing, you want to send the drawing to the contractor or to the consultant or anywhere, but they have the lower version. They cannot open the drawing if it has lower version. For example, for my example, I have 2017 and you send it to someone which has 2007, they cannot open it. So basically, what's the solution? You always need to make sure to save it as lower as like Autocad 2007, so anyone can open it. How we're gonna do it? It's either from the short key, which is the Control plus Shift plus S. This is the short key. Then from here, you will set it as the Autocad. This is the one which I always set it, 2007, LT 2007 drawing. This you will set it at that one. Also, you can access this from here, from the Autocad option, Save As, and the drawing. Then from here, you can set it. Okay, this is one option. But sometimes you might tell that I forgot to set it as a 2007. Sometimes you are in hurry. So what is the solution? We want to put it as permanent. So as a default setting, always have to be as a 2007. How to do it? I'm gonna tell you. You just press option, OP, you type OP. Then you will go to the options. From the option, you go to the open and save menu. From here, the file type, save as, you will set it as 2007 LT and then press the OK. Or you can go also from the window, from the option, two option you have it, and same as here. And if you want to make sure whether it's been saved as the default option, which we already set at 2007, you just press again Control Shift and S. As you can see, it's been saved as a 2007. So this is the first one. Second thing, we have the selection box. We have two type of selection box, whether it's in the green or blue. What the difference between them? Selection box, if you press right click here, and then if you move it to the left, it will be green. Left, upward or downward, no different. It will be green. Then you can select it. So what is different between the blue and left and green? Let me first speak about the green. The green, so as I said, if you press click and you just go left, it will be green. If you just partially select an object, it will be select totally. So if you just partially click on it, it will go over it. As you can see, just partial the circle, it will take all the circle. But on other hand, if we pick the blue one, which is if you click it and you go right, up or down, no different, just right. And if you select it partially, it will not be selected. You have to select it fully all the objects, so it will be selected. So for example, if you select it partially, it will not be selected as a blue one. You have to select it fully, completely full, in order to be selected. So this is different, basically different between a green and blue. And if you want to pick the item, if you pick, like, let's select all this item. If you pick it and you want to remove one of this item, if you want, for example, I want to remove the circle one, you just press the shift and then do the click one, and then it will be removed. Just need to press the shift and then you can remove whatever item you need. The last thing we will talk about all type of the zoom. Basically, we have three type of zoom we can tell. We have zoom in. How you do it? You just from the cursor, you just move the scroller in, it will be zoom in. You move the scroller out, it will be zoom out. And then if you have an option, for example, if you zoom in one item in your window and you want to see at the same time other item which is on your screen, how you can do it? Do you have to do again zoom in or zoom out? No, there is a one basic thing. that you can do zoom extend. How you do the zoom extend? There is two ways for a zoom extend. One, to double click on the scroll, twice click it on the scroller, 1, 2, it will be zoom extend. Or you can just press Z button, Z enter, E enter, it will be zoom extend. Other thing which you have is the pan, which you just press the scroller, it will be pan, and then you can move it left, right, whatever you want, you can control it. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.